if you want to know how to remove password from the PDF file before we share with someone else, I'll tell you the very simple and step-by-step procedure. Stay tuned. Hello everyone, my name is Malay Biswal and you are watching Helpful Things. So let's get started. Now I am showing you a PDF where it requires a password, right? So if I key in the password, this opens, otherwise this file doesn't open, right? So this is just a sample PDF. Some days back one of my friends asked that how can I share my home loan statement with someone who can help me with filing the income tax, but I don't want to share my password. So that's a genuine situation. I don't want to share my password because it might be a secret code I'm using for my different bank accounts or for some other purpose also, right? So what you will do, it's very simple. Just try to open that PDF in any of the web browser that you have. It may be Chrome or Microsoft Edge. Mostly I try to use Microsoft Edge because it is lightweight and simple compared to the PDF viewer or Acrobat PDF, right? So I will try to do that. I'll close this as of now. So let's say I want to open this file. This is the file and I have opened here the Microsoft Edge. I'll just drag and drop the file and it asks me for the password, right? So similarly for Chrome also you can do the same thing. Okay, otherwise you can also do a right click on it and say open with, and you can choose Microsoft Edge or Chrome browser. So it will ask you for the password, give the password, and then here as I told, press Ctrl P. It will prompt you for print. So you have an option here under printer. You don't need a printer, don't worry. Okay, you have an option called Save PDF. Click on Save PDF and say Save. Okay, so I'll just save this file. It will ask me where I want to save. I want to save in the same directory in the download. I will just remove this protected because I just made it without a password. So I'll say save. So now my file is saved and the file name is sample PDF. Okay, let's go back to that folder. So I go back to that folder and say sample PDF, right? I'll close all this stuff so that it doesn't create any kind of confusion that I'm opening already opened file, and I'll just drag and drop here. See, no password, right? So basically this is a copy which I printed without a password, right? If I try to open the same thing using the PDF viewer also, okay, I'll open it Acrobat. See, it doesn't ask me for any password, right? It just opens, right? So this is very simple procedure. I hope this is pretty much clear. If it has helped you, please like the video and please share with someone who can get benefited from this. So stay tuned for my next videos. And if you have any specific questions, please do let me know in the comment section. I'll get back to you. Thank you.